Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on inbox messages on your email notifications on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings, and now click account settings. Now here you'll find manage emails, click on it, and now as you see you will find it here, inbox messages. Just click on it like this and it should be turned on. And that's it, how to turn on inbox messages on your email settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.